So, class, we have seen two forms of questions, okay, that we can face from the examiner relating to our topic. Let's look at the other one, okay. This is another question which is different from those ones we've done. Find the side x in this right angled triangle. So in the last one we did, they gave us two sides. Examiner gave us two sides, telling us to use it to find the angle. This time around, we have a side, an angle, and we are to look for a side. Okay, but just note, out of three items that you need for the target of an angle, they will always give you two at your level. Okay, two out of the three. The other one, two sides, asking you to look for an angle, which is the third item. In this place, a side, an angle, telling you to look for a side. Okay, to look for a side, meaning two things given, telling you to look for the third one. So first thing, formula. What's the formula for finding the other side? It's the same formula you used last time, which is tan. Let's use theta as our angle. Tan theta equals, theta represents angle, though given, but I ensure that your formula is the first line of your workings. Okay, tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. So tan, you know your theta now. Theta means the angle, 24 degree equals to opposite. What's the opposite in this? The opposite side, I've told you, the side that is facing the angle, 12, right? 12 over, what's our adjacent? Adjacent is the one that forms the one that forms a boundary with the angle. Okay, a boundary joining the hypotenuse to form angle, an acute angle. Adjacent side is the side that forms angle, acute angle with hypotenuse. Side that forms acute angle with hypotenuse, which is this side, the A. Okay, the x. Let's write it x in this place. So with this one now, let's work it out. We have seen the way it is being done. So tan, what do we do first? What do we do here after we have written the formula and applying the figures given us in the formula? The next thing is cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply, and this is over 1. Don't forget, when there is nothing below, it means 1 is there, so cross multiply. Okay, so in cross multiplication, down multiplied by up, and this multiplied by this, as I've told you before. So x times tan 24 degree equals to 12 times 1. 12 times 1. So x times tan 24 degrees, x tan 24 degree. I've told you, letter multiplied by anything, just put the letter beside it, equals to 12 times 1 is 12. So what do we do next? To find the value of x, which we are looking for, divide both sides by anything beside x. Tan 24 degree, which is x tan 24 degree equals to 12. So divide both sides by what we have been asked. 24 degree tan 24 degree. Okay, so with this cancels out this. We are left with x equals to, so 12 we are somewhere here. What do we do? So we check the 4-figure table to know the value of tan 24 degree. We check the 4-figure table to know the value of tan 24 degree. Okay, now in order not to waste time, if you check it, tan 24 degree is 0. I've shown you how to check the angle from the last class. 0.4452. That is it. Okay, so that is it. So what do we do next from there? This one divided by this. 12 divided by 0.4452. Take your calculator and confirm. Okay, so the answer you get is 26.95. Okay, 26.95. And when that is done, since this one is given in whole number, I think it's not easy to make it appropriate just to follow the pattern that is given in the question. So let's approximate this one to whole number as well. Okay, let's approximate it, and to do that, x equals to, so in approximation, it's a topic on its own, but I will give you a tip here. If it is to whole number, find the on the point, make a stroke. The next one becomes check this number that is next after the stroke on your right. So if it is between 0 and 4, you write 0, you add 0 to what is here. But if it is between 5 and 9, you change it to 1 and add it to whatever is here. So 9 falls between the second category. So 1 is what you are going to add to 26, which is going to be 26 plus 1 equals to 27. So this side is 27. Okay, this side is what 27. So you have seen different ways. Either you are given the angle to find the angle in the 4 figures table, or you are given two sides to look for the angle as done in the last example, or giving a side and an angle to look for the other side. So you make use of this formula to do it and apply the figures given you fix it into the formula. Just as you have in the substitution of the other topic. So just fix it and work it out. I believe this is clear. So you have your notes as you have the video already. So there's no problem. Thank you.